Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show how to implement a single simple REST service with Spring and Java. The to-do list of today is going to start.spring.io to get a base starter project with all the necessary packages. Then we import it in IntelliJ and make a little adjustment in the controllers, and then we are already finished. It's really easy to do it that way, but you will see. So let's first go to start.spring.io. Here we are. Then we here can choose which kind of project we want to have. I always use Maven, then Java, and I take the latest Spring Boot version that is not a snapshot. In this case, it's 3.5.0. Then we can type in different project metadata. I just leave it at that for the moment. And I could change here the Java version, for example 24, but I leave it at 21 at the moment. And the dependencies we need are Spring Web. That's all for the moment. If we later want to have other things like use data, Spring Data, JPA, or and access a database, for example, a MySQL database, so on. But for now, this is just everything we want. So I click on Generate, then we can import it. I trust the project. So I imported into IntelliJ, and now the Maven dependencies are getting resolved automatically. After that, we have to build it for the first time with Maven, and then we can run it the first time. So I'm building here a new configuration for Maven. I type in the clean install, and I just let it run for the first time. Okay, so it was built successfully, and now we can create one configuration. And I can let it run for the first time. It's correctly booted if we see this thing here, started demo application, and Tomcat started on port 8080. Okay, and now we can already go to our localhost port 8080, and if we see this white label error page, then we know it's booted up correctly, and at least we can access the Tomcat. The white label error page at the moment is there because we're not accessing any REST service. We go into this folder here, Java com example demo, and we can create a new package called, for example, REST controller. We create a new Java class. Let's call it first controller. We are telling Spring that it is a REST controller. Okay, so after we created our REST controller, we of course need a method to call. Let's call let's use get, and let's access it through slash hello world. We need a method that gets called here. Let's name it get hello world, for example, and it returns a string. And that's it for now. Then let's close our server and we can just restart it. Wait for it to boot up. It's now started already. And if we refresh the page, we get the white label error page again. And we used slash hello world to access the get page. And now we get hello world with a smiley, the same that we created here. And that's everything already. And we can of course improve it, make a lot of entities in the background, having a service, for example, that we are calling in this kind of method. And of course, we can not only use get, we can all, of course, use post, for example, too, and put and other method method kinds. And yeah, but that's it for now. You created your own first REST service. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.